Okay, I apologize in advance if I happen to lose my voice during this video. Um, I am going to do a step-by-step tutorial on the program Hi Ha Ho, and this program allows you to make any presentation that you may have, or really any video, because this is a video from YouTube that we're going to pretend is my presentation. We can make any video interactive. I think this will be really helpful for the PBL because you can pose questions at specific timestamps. You can even pause the screen or jump to a specific timestamp. Add text, images, transparent buttons. So anyway, I am going, at this particular timestamp, he starts to talk about partners.
And it's important to note that we don't have an exclusive with this partner.
And they're paying you a royalty on unit sales?
No, it's a private label, so we are
you're
the manufacturer.
manufacturing for them?
Yes.
Okay, so I think this is a great time to pose a question. And so there's different types of questions that you can pose. There's multiple choice, multiple response, entry question, or open question. In this particular case, I think I'm going to do an open question because there isn't one specific answer. If you do have a factual A, B, C, D type of question, I would definitely use multiple choice. But for this, we're going to do open question. So you type your question right here. And since he's talking about partners, or since we're pretending that this is me presenting, since I am talking about partners, my question is going to be, what is a business partner? So we will save that. And now, during this presentation, when this question is posed, the students will have an opportunity to raise their hand and answer this question on what they believe a business partner is.
Yeah, so we do have a strategic partnership in Nashville, Tennessee that does all of our picking and packing, all of our EDI, order entry, and they do, we're about...
Okay, so down here, I think this is really useful. You can drag your question to the exact timestamp that you would like it. So if you happen to make a mistake and it isn't exactly where you want it, you can manipulate it. But I like to try to have it right when the information is being discussed in the video. So like I said, there's lots of different tools that you can play around with. But now, since just for time's sake, we're going to show you how to publish your video.